JPG on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Lightroom. Now go to your photo. For example, this is the photo that I edited and I want to save it as JPEG or JPG. All what you have to do now is simple. Just go to the top right here and click on this chair icon and go down, click on export as. Go to the file type option and choose JPG like this, then click save here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later and thank you so much.